I know you feel like you're getting nowhere fast in this job market, constantly knocking on doors, hoping that one just swings wide open. I'm Jeremy Nichols, Headhunter with Gecko Hospitality. Believe it or not, I've been there in a real tough job market. And I talk to candidates all the time that are facing the same issues that you are, a difficult, hard job market as a candidate. Terrible communication, a lack of follow up, if there is any follow up, and a scarcity of jobs that look even remotely interesting to you. So, since I've been there and I talk to candidates that are there right now, I want to give you some tips and some ways to keep your spirits up when the job market feels like you're just getting an endless cycle of no thank yous. Don't just sit there sending your resumes out into the void. Mix up your daily routine. Maybe one day focus on networking and another day refining your skills in interviewing. It's all about keeping things fresh and engaging. Tip 2, network smarter, not harder. Think of job searching like you're weaving through a room at a cool party. Chat a bit here, drop a joke there. Make those connections without sweating it too much. Be natural, be comfortable, be yourself. Tip 3, skill up and stand out. Use this time to buff up your skill set. Always wanted to learn something new or up your game in a certain area? Maybe you want to get some credentials for a certain niche you want to get into. Now's the time. It makes you more marketable and it keeps your skills sharp. Tip 4, keep it light. A tough job search can feel like a drag, but don't let it get to you. Find humor in the little things and keep things light. A good laugh can be a reboot that your brain needs. And finally, tip 5, self-care is not just for Sundays. Seriously, take care of yourself. Eat right, get some sleep, and throw in a little bit of exercise. It's not just good for the body, but also the mind. And trust me, you're going to need it in a tough job market. Remember, every no gets you closer to a yes. Keep at it, stay sharp, stay consistent, and that job opportunity will come knocking at your door when you least expect it. Trust me, I get it. It's a tough job market. But hopefully, these tips will help you as you navigate through some hard obstacles. Keep your head up, keep your chin up, and eventually you will land that job. I'm Jeremy Nichols, recruiter with Gecko Hospitality. Hopefully you like these tips. If you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you. Talk to you soon.